Hello everyone. Today we learn about drawback of Rutherford model of an atom. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Let us discuss what are the drawbacks of with the force model an atom of an atom. In his atomic model, who therefore did not account for the stability of the atom. According to him, negatively charged electron revolve around the nucleus in well-defined fixed orbit, but this is not merely possible. According to classical electromagnetic theory, an accelerated charged particle has to radiate energy continuously. It means that electron under the influence of attractive force revolving around the nucleus with excellent motion will lose certain amount of energy continuously in the form of electromagnetic radiations, due to which the energy will be decreased and also the speed will be decreased. Furthermore, these electrons will be pulled strongly towards the positively charged nucleus. Ultimately, they fall into the nucleus, taking a spiral path that merge into the nucleus. This can actually be shown with the help of the figure. Here you can see this is electron and this particular thing is nothing but the new nucleus. Here this electron, after moving for certain amount of time, this will lose energy continuously and take the spiral path and finally fall onto nucleus. And not only that, because of what happened means the atom becomes unstable and finally the atom will collapse. Not apart from this, he also did specify the number of orbits and the number of electrons present in each orbit.